The one and only National Aviary, founded in 1952, is located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Home to more than 500 birds representing more than 150 species from around the world, the National Aviary is dedicated to animal care, conservation, and education, connecting visitors to nature with truly immersive, interactive experiences. Many of the aviary's naturalistic habitats are enclosed in glass, including more than 40,000 square feet that was donated by Vitro architectural glass for the recent renovations of the tropical rainforest, wetlands habitat, and the construction of the new Garden Room Event Center.
The wetlands habitat is the largest habitat at the National Aviary. It's an immersive free flight room where birds are right there with the visitors and you can walk through their home. So we're thrilled to have people able to come and enjoy this space and see birds thriving in their home.
As visitors make their way from room to room, it's clear that the glass at the National Aviary plays an important role in helping both the birds, trees, and plants thrive. A significant feature of the glass in the newly renovated and constructed spaces is Vitro's bird-friendly glass with surface treatment by Walker Glass. This is glass that is etched with patterns that help prevent wild birds outside from flying into the glass. It also protects the birds inside, allowing them to see the glass and avoid it while in flight.
The glass used in the wetlands renovation is the third example of bird-friendly glass that we have here at the National Aviary, all provided by Vitro. So we have the tropical rainforest, our garden room, which is an event space, as well as the wetlands. And the bird-friendly nature of the glass, that etching, provides a visual barrier for birds so they understand that it's not a reflection, it's not a clear sky, and they avoid colliding with it. When you walk into the wetlands, one of the first things you notice is the abundance of natural light. It brightens the entire space, and the beautiful frosted pattern in conjunction with the grassy pattern really adds to a naturalistic element in the space and complements the naturalistic design of the entire habitat. So the plant life, the birds, of course the sculptural trees, the rock work, all of it works in conjunction, and the glass really makes it all shine.
Vitro is proud to be a partner of the National Aviary and support its effort to promote sustainable habitats, bird conservation and preservation, and education.
Vitro Architectural Glass has been a tremendous partner to the National Aviary. This is the third project, and it's a major project that they have donated the glass and supported our work. We have three distinct examples, one being the tropical rainforest, one being our garden room event space, and now the wetlands, our largest habitat. Their understanding of our specific and unique needs and needing not only bird-friendly glass, but high-efficiency glass to meet our high sustainability standards has been spectacular, and their partnership has been very generous.
The latest renovations and new construction at the National Aviary are just another example of Vitro's commitment to providing unique and environmentally responsible architectural glass products and working collaboratively with our partners to help them reach their environmental goals. At Vitro, together, we see further.